I actually just got my package that I ordered from FridayParts. Already opened it up. There is a ton of oil filters in here. It's actually the right time to order at FridayParts because FridayParts is doing their spring sale from March 1st till April 30th. There's up to $300 coupons for spring of 2023. You guys will have to, is a T19044. So with tillage coming up, this is about the time of year we bring everything in, get it going, drain the oil, take the old oil filter off, drain the oil out of this housing, take the filter off. Now we can get this out of here, we can have our seed delivery show up, we can get going with spring, because I am ready for spring, by all means.